Hello, another MakerAdvent. Sorry it's a bit late. I had my COVID booster the other day on Friday. Had Moderna. Great fun. Felt okay for a bit and then felt a bit grotty. Does that word translate around the world, grotty? Awful. We use that, there you go. So a bit of a shorter one today, something a bit more simple. But something that's going to be part of a larger project in the future. In the centre you can see a banana that is now at day 12 and looks a bit, it might be banana bread in a few days time this. Anyway, we have in the centre this badge. It is a badge or keychain, it's got a little thing there. It's also a protoboard, so you can solder stuff to it to build simple circuits. And I picked this up because I was interested in the form factor and, well, I just like building little circuits. I'm going to go to the listing so you can see what it is. So mini protoboard in black, it's from Pimoroni, 90p. That's all it is. Absolute bargain at 90p. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to have one of those. Pick one up. And I thought, what can I make with it? Well, originally it was going to be a flashing badge with a CR2032 holder on the back. Not for kids. If you can have kids, get you some bigger batteries, because the batteries are not very nice for kids. Anyway, I digress, as usual. Flashing lights, always cool. Buttons, yeah. Then I thought, hang on, it's Christmas. Christmas is about games. Games as a family. Now, what games could you build? Well, I'm quite partial to that wire game, where you have to move the wand around a wire, and if you touch a wire, it makes a buzzer go off. I thought, how could I make one of those? Well, I could solder a screw terminal to this, a battery to this, a buzzer, and yeah, there you go. We're laughing. Just have some wire coming off here, and it'd be really cool fun. But then I thought, hang on, no. We need something a bit more. So I went to my local purveyor of tat, Poundland, and no, there was no musical stuff. That's my phone and 2 watches just going off there. That's nice. It's 4 o'clock. So I'm going to go a little bit off camera now. See, I'm still here. And I picked up a really craptastic Christmas tie from Amazon instead. Paid £4, which is just awful. So bear with me a sec, I'm going to pause this so I can undo it without destroying your ears. So yes, we have a hideous tie made out of the cheapest material ever, probably. And it says press here. Yeah, that is hideous, isn't it? But I thought, take the sounder box out of this. There it is. Get the circuit, wire up some contacts to here. Stop playing or I'll break you. Right. Wire up the circuit to this board and have that nerve game, you know, to go round and all that, test your nerve, and if you touch it, it sets off that horrible thing there. So Mrs. Pounder said to me, try not to destroy the tie when taking stuff apart, because you know you could wear that tie on Christmas Day. There we go. I may just set fire to the tie instead. To be fair, I think I've got about 2 ties now. Okay, let's throw that behind me. And there it is. So I reckon I could put that on there somehow with wire coming off. I've got some wire kicking around somewhere. And we have a test your nerve game. That's for a future video. But that's all facilitated by a 90p PCB, a protoboard. So that's what we're going to build. Probably next weekend, which is the last weekend before Christmas. Gulp. That'll be fun. But talking of PCBs, I was quite proud this year. I made my first PCB. I'm going to be quick because this video is now at 4.5 minutes. And it's not to be saying about how wonderful I am, because I'm not. I made a circuit board. So Joe Hinchcliffe's tutorial in Hackspace magazine showed you how to use KiCad or KeyCAD, however you pronounce it, to make a PCB, so I did. And this reuses a Primark lights that I took apart with potentiometer, so I can control the brightness of the light using this little board. Not too difficult. Yes, there's a few pitfalls and it does get a bit, what am I doing, how do I do this at times, but once you learn the basics and keep it simple, it's good fun to build. So I might show it's off in another video in the future. Anyway, that plus that equals annoying Christmas test your nerve game. That's all for now. See you later.